Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print PDF report of partner details using this Dev partner details report via customers. So let's see about it. You can see here our module Dev partner details report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to sales, customers, go to anyone and see here this icon, click on and easily see here this menu for print report. Click on partner details and you can easily see here printed PDF report of Deco ID with all details. Thank you.